Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're back in Atlantic City. We are going to visit the Borgata and Water Club. Both places are part of the Borgata complex. The Borgata is the only MGM property in Atlantic City, but MGM did purchase a huge 72-acre lot right next door, so they have their eye on something in that area. This is the Borgata Beer Garden and Outdoor Pool. And once you step inside, you'll see the reception area on the left, and we'll head towards the grand entrance. These beautiful glass lamps are by the artist Chaholi, and they can be seen throughout the Borgata, not just the entrance. These orange ones are stunning, and you'll see other different colors and different designs throughout the complex. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And speaking of Clarice, a shout out to Wise Malik, who found Clarice in the Harris Atlantic City video, and to Tracy Ellison, a new subscriber, who found her in the Golden Nugget video. Congratulations, guys. So for those of you not familiar with Atlantic City geography or the layout of the city, most of the hotel and casinos are on the ocean. There's an ocean side and a bay side, and the city lies obviously in between. The boardwalk, the famous Atlantic City boardwalk, is on the ocean, obviously, along with those hotels and casinos. Then there's two hotel and casinos on the bay side, which is about, I'd say, 4 miles away from the ocean. Those two hotel and casinos are Harrah's and Golden Nugget, which the videos for those two hotel and casinos were just posted a couple days ago, so check those videos out. Now the Borgata and Water Club, which is part of the Borgata, lays right in between. It's landlocked, and it caters to a more younger, more affluent crowd. Hanging off the ceiling is another one of those Chaholi lights. How many can you find as we walk through this casino? By the way, I forgot to mention I'm staying at the Borgata, and at the end of this video, I'll give you a room tour of what a Borgata room looks like. And some of you might be thinking, hey, Jeff from New York, why are you staying at the freaking Borgata when you live in the New York area to begin with? Because the Borgata comps me. Thank you, MGM. There's a bunch of world-class restaurants here at the Borgata, from Iron Chefs Wolfgang Puck, Bobby Flay, Michael Simon, Jeffrey Zakarian, and Michael Scholzen. There's also some great entertainment and nightlife, including A-list entertainers and an award-winning spa and lots more. So I know you're trying to keep up with me. We just passed Wolfgang Puck's American Grill, also the Borgata Sportsbook, and on the right-hand side we're about to pass Bobby Flay's Steakhouse. And now we're coming upon Angeline, Michael Simon's Italian restaurant here at the Borgata. Pardon us, the garden us is where we'll be. Who remembers that song? And now we're about to enter the Water Club Tower, which is a little bit more sophisticated, a little bit more business-like than the Borgata Tower. There's no casino in this tower. There's lots of high-end shops and a lot of business meeting rooms. And the Water Club Tower also has its own spas and pools as well. But when push comes to shove, the Borgata and the Water Club are, well, you know, connected. Perhaps the prettiest Chihili light fixture in the entire complex. The Borgata also has a lot of casual dining, including the Metropolitan, Bread and Butter, Borgata Buffet, the Marketplace Eatery. There's a wine bar, a Borgata Baking Company. There's a Starbucks, of course, there's always a Starbucks. There's a restaurant called Now, the Borgata Beer Garden, which we saw earlier in the video, a bar called the Long Bar, the Moneyline Bar and Book, which we passed, and a restaurant called the Sunroom. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. When you do, you're automatically enrolled in the next $50 gift card giveaway here on the New York channel. And now it's time for a quick room tour. As I said earlier, I was comped this room. MGM usually comps my rooms, and since this is their only property in Atlantic City, this is where I usually stay. I am on the 30-something or other floor. I never can remember what floor they put me on, but it always seems to be in the 30s. Never the 40s or the 20s, always the 30s. The room is very clean and very quiet. Nothing is overlooked here at the Borgata. Here we are facing east, looking out the window towards the ocean, and those skyscrapers out there are the hotels and casinos along the Atlantic City boardwalk. I seem a little high. Maybe I am a little higher than the 30s. Maybe I'm in the 40s. The hotel goes up to 53 floors, so I might be in the 40s in this particular visit. The bathroom is well stocked with toiletries and anything you might need. It's spotless. There's a beautiful glass enclosed shower with a bench. No tub here, so if baths are your thing, then you have to ask for another room. I'm sure they have them in other rooms. And like I said, it's well stocked and very clean. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.